Hey, attention all those who are looking for a home in the Black Oak Golf Course. Well, look no further. I've got this beautiful home on a couple acres that is about 3,800 square foot. It is absolutely beautiful. It's very artistic. Lots of beautiful windows that come through the whole entire house. It's got its entrance down here. You can come up here. You could drive all the way up to the top of the home as well. And you can come in on both sides of the level with no steps. Very nice open concept. You're going to love those windows. I said Anderson windows, newer roof, newer HVAC, coming soon. So feel free to reach out if you'd like to see this one. Love to show it to you. Take care. Hey, welcome inside to this beautiful kitchen where you'll love the light that comes in and also the wonderful landscaping of the waterfall out in the yard. But love all of the natural light and the windows that go all the way to the top of the counters into a formal dining area, large pantry, nice stove here, but all of these wonderful windows that you can overlook your property. And then it comes into this grand room, beautiful concrete floors, and enjoy that nice walkway with the bedrooms there as well. You got single entry level on this level coming from there, or you could drive up to the top and come in single story to the upper bedrooms as well. Welcome upstairs where you've got 3 nice bedrooms or a studio work area. You can overlook and entertain throughout this house. This basically is an entry that comes in with 2 steps at the top of the driveway. And you've got your main primary bedroom with its own private lanai overlooking your acreage, and this really unique and fun bathroom, open concept, skylight, nice big beam into the primary suite. I love this little lanai that's up here in the bedroom. That's got a brand new deck flooring here that you can just sit here with your nice shade cover as well. And you can just sit here and overlook your property and enjoy this peaceful location up here in your private lanai. One of my favorite rooms in this house is this studio slash guest suite, office, whatever you want. A large closet, full bathroom down here as well. Steps up here with some hardwood floors, a nice artist studio, a place where you can relax, be able to enjoy and do some work from home. Would be a great work space here at home as well. Private on the other side of the house, and it once again overlooking your beautiful acreage and your pond. Anderson windows, newer roof, newer HVAC, coming soon. So feel free to reach out if you'd like to see this one. Love to show it to you. Take care.